Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to lock particular chat in WhatsApp. So here I have opened my WhatsApp and I would like to lock this chat, Durai Prince. So what you have to do, long press on the particular chat, okay, and then go to this three vertical dots here, and here you will see lock chat, so that it will be locked. Okay, keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Okay, click on continue and draw your pattern for confirmation. This chart is locked. For added privacy, chats will also be locked on certain linked devices. Okay, suppose if you have linked your devices to any laptop or PC or any other devices, yes, they are also be locked. Okay, click on OK finally. That chart is now locked. Okay, it is not visible here. You can only see it in the locked chart. Okay, so to open it without using your pattern, anyone cannot open. Okay, you can only open it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.